Hello everybody, today I'm going to replace a pump on this unit. It's a Breville BES870XL. I'm going to start the repair right away. There's a couple of things I have to do on this machine. The first thing, I will start with the water pump right there. Then I'm going to replace one blade inside here, and lastly I will program the machine, and I need to program the one shot and the two shots properly because the two shots is not working correctly. I think as soon as you press it, it cuts out after 2-3 seconds. So I'm gonna start my repair right away. So first thing, you undo this plug. I'm trying usually not to work during the evening, but some days are quite busy, so. And tomorrow is also a busy day. I think I have to go on 3 or 4 service calls, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. There's one screw here. You need Phillips, long Phillips. Where is my Phillips? Right there. And then you have 2 more screws at the bottom, right here. So once you removed all the screws on this side, now you can just take this cover out. Well, what you need is some prime tool. You prime it, and then it will come out. Sometimes you have to undo the screw right here, because maybe it's not all the way. There we go. A few things to check. You want to check this filter to make sure it's not blocked, and everything else seems to be okay. You want to check the inlets if there's any leaks. Otherwise this machine looks really good, except the pump's working very low, like the pump is very weak. So I'm going to replace the pump, and then I'll replace a few blades there, clean it, and it should be ready for pickup. I want to do 2 machines today. We'll see. I had a tough day, but that's okay. I'm just going to get this one going right away. The yellow is going always on the left side, and then the blue on the right. Okay, now the pump is installed, everything in place. What I recommend to do is do not close it, the cover, until you check for leaks. I'm going to show you how it's done. So you have to plug this back in, don't forget, because if you don't, it will leak from the tank. Now I'm going to stop the video, I'm going to fill the tank and I'll show you how we're going to test it for leaks. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure you connected all the hoses, so you just visually inspect everything. Once you've done, you turn the machine on and you take your tank, put it inside, and now where you have to check is this connection right there. So I'm gonna wait until it warms up and then I will show you. Can see from this side. Okay, so 1 cup, and now let's see. Nice. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to program the machine. I'll show you how it's done. For this you need a timer, but before I do that I want to replace the blades here. So you twist it and you lift it up, and as you can see, this side is good, but there we have to clean it all out. And also I want to replace this blade. I'll show you how I do that. Now what I'm gonna do, you wanna take the brush and clean here really good. So it's grinder maintenance, as well as I'm gonna replace this blade. I'll show you I have some extra ones. Don't lose this nut. There is one nut and one washer. So the washer is going first, then the nut up on top, like this. And now I'm gonna clean this as well. It's basically two separate parts, but I have to clean it. Now if you're gonna take a look inside, right there, see this? This all needs to be cleaned too. So clean it really good. Okay, like this. Now this, I think I will replace this guy, and I will replace this. Okay. So you want to clean this as well, like this. And I will inspect it. See this? This needs to be cleaned out. See? You really want to make sure you clean all the stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna bring a new blade and I'll continue the video. So I brought the new blade. Now I'm just going to put everything back together. I want to put one more piece here. There's a small round, I think, like material. I'll take it from a different machine. I'll come back again. So I was talking about this material, like insulation. Then the fan is going on top. Then the blade. Okay. Then you put the flat washer and you put this guy on top. Okay. Now normal settings should be between 7 and 8 on Breville. Perfect. Now this goes in. And we test it. Right there. Sounds much better. Now lastly, what I have to do, I have to program it, and I will show you how I do that. Just give me one moment. I like to put everything in place because I always forget things, so it's a good habit. If you guys have any habit like that, that's a good one. Let me just... Okay, now I'm gonna show you step by step how to do the programming on Breville BES870XL.